In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life indicator light in this Nissan Altima. I'm going to press this button twice. I don't want the car running, but I do want it on so I can see my gauges. Now I'm going to press the square button on the left side of the steering wheel behind your headlight switch. There are two square buttons. One has two squares on it and one has a dot. So you're going to press the one on the left until you get to maintenance. When you see that menu under settings, it says skip alert maintenance display. You're going to hit the dot button until you're on maintenance. Once you're on maintenance, you're going to hit the squares again. You're going to go to, it says maintenance, back, engine oil, oil filter, tire, other. You're going to hit your dot button again until you get to engine oil. You can just keep going through if you skipped it by accident. So you're on engine oil, you're going to hit the square button again. Then it says engine oil, back, settings, reset, and then there's a little area where it says 0/500 or whatever miles you want to set it to. For this manufacturer, you are going to be setting it to 3,750. Hit the square button, and then I'm going to hit the dot button to raise the amount till I get to 3,750. And there we are. And in order to set it, you're going to hit the square buttons again, and then you're going to back out of it by hitting the square button again. You check, you confirm that it says 0/3750. You hit back, back. Now you can shut off your car, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.